Welcome to Lesson 27A, Create a Login Page in Web Forms. By default, applications that use the ASP.NET Web Forms framework use Forms Authentication. If your application uses Forms Authentication to authenticate users, you must create a login page. ASP.NET Web Forms includes 7 login server controls that both enable you to create a login page and to display status information without writing a single line of code. The login server controls are located in the Login tab of the toolbox. The login server controls use the membership provider defined in the web.config file to manage and authenticate users. The membership provider was introduced in Lesson 26. Also, each of the login server controls is fully customizable. This is a little information about each of the login server controls. The login control is a composite control that allows users to log in to the application. The change password control is also a composite control, and it enables users to change their password. The password recovery control is a composite control that enables users to recover their password. The password is sent to the user via email. Therefore, your server must be able to send email for the password recovery control to work. The Create User Wizard control is a templated composite control that allows users to create an account in your application. The Login Name control displays the user's name. If the user is not logged in, the control is not rendered. The Login Status control displays either a login link or a logout link, depending on whether or not the user is authenticated. The Login View control is a templated control that displays different information to the users depending on whether they are authenticated by displaying the contents of either the anonymous template or the logged in template. In this lesson, you replace the default login page that is provided in the ASP.NET Web Application template, and there were no lesson requirements. To get started with this project, select New Project, ASP.NET Web Application, and enter Lesson 27A for the name of the application. Finally, click the OK button. Press the F5 button to run the application. Click the Login link. Now click the Register link and complete all of the fields on the registration page, and then click the Create User button. And close the browser. Now delete the login page that came with the template by right-clicking it and selecting Delete and saying OK. Now right-click the account folder to add a new web form. Select a web form using master page. Name the web form mylogin.aspx and click the Add button. Select the site master for the master page. Now drag a login control to the form. View it in Design View. Now select the Smart Tag and select Auto Format. You can see there are a number of formats that you can choose from. Professional, Simple, Classic, Colorful. We're going to select Elegant and click the OK button. Open the web.config and change the login URL to mylogin.aspx, and also open the site.master and change the link that is used for the login to mylogin.aspx. Click the F5 button to run the application. Click Login, type your name and password, and hit login, and you have successfully logged into the application.